In this video, we are going to learn about left-right mid function. To explain this left-right mid function, I am in left-right mid function worksheet. In that, there are two tables. In one table, there is SKU number, product name, retail price. And in second table is supplier ID, part, product code and LAN. We will learn LAN in another video. In this video, we are going to focus only on left, right and mid function. If we want to divide a particular word in three parts, at that time left, right, mid function work. Like in a column, SKU number are there. We will divide this SKU number in three parts. One will be in supplier ID, second will be in part, and third will be in product code. Now let's begin to divide SKU numbers in three parts. For using left function, first click the cell where we have to use this function. In this case, E3 cell. Then click to formula tab over here, and in that click to text icon over here, and in that click to left. The moment we click left, new window has appeared. It is called function argument. In that, first argument is text. It means from where we have to pick the text. In this case, we have to pick from A3 cell. So we will click to A3 cell like this. Second argument is number character. It means from left how many characters we want to appear in supplier ID. In this case, we want 3. So we will type 3 in number character like this. Then click OK. The moment we click OK, answer came ACM, first 3 character. If we want in all the cell of the table, drag it down to all the cell of the table like this. As we have specified, we want 3 characters in supplier ID. It will take 3 only, not more, not less. Now we will use right function before mid function, because right function is mostly similar with left function. To use right function, first we will click the cell where we have to use right function. In this case, G3 cell over here. After clicking G3 cell, click the formula tab over here, and in that click to text icon, this one. And in that click to right, this one. The moment we click right, new window has appeared. It is called function argument. Same as left function, first argument is text. So we will click to A3 cell because we have to pick A3 text into product code. Second argument is number character. It says how much character we need from right side. We need 2. So we will write 2 in number character. After fulfilling all the argument, click OK. The moment we click OK, our answer came WW, last 2 character of A3 cell. If we want in all the cell of the table, drag it down to all the cell of the table like this. Now we will use mid function. Same, first click the cell where we want to use mid function. In this case, we will click to F3 cell. After we click to F3 cell, click to formula tab over here, and in that click to text icon. And in that click to mid. The moment we click mid, new window has appeared. It is called function argument. In that, first argument is same as text. So we will click to A3 cell because we want to pick from A3 cell. Second argument is start number, as mid function is used to pick from the middle of the characters. As we have to pick from middle of the characters, so it has left also and right also. Therefore it asks start number from where. In this case, 3 character is used in left. So for middle, it starts from 4th character. Therefore we will type 4 in start number argument like this. Third argument is number character. It says mid character start from 4th number. It's fine, but up to how many characters there will be mid? So in this case, 3 characters from 4th character is in mid. So therefore we will type 3 in number character like this. After fulfilling all the argument, click OK. The moment we click OK, answer came 110. If we want in all the cells, then just drag it down like this. Like this, we can divide one characters in three parts: left, right, and mid by using left, right, and mid functions. Practice this left, right, mid function in your Excel worksheet, and I will see you in next video.